Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Subaru Legacy headlight bulb. First, let's prepare. You will need a new bulb, often an H7 or H11 type, and a screwdriver. Always make sure your engine is cool to the touch for safety. It is also crucial to wear clean gloves when handling the new bulb to avoid leaving any oily residue on the glass, which can shorten its lifespan. Now, let's gain access to the bulb. Begin by turning your steering wheel all the way to the side you are working on. This provides ample space. Next, locate the 2 or 3 plastic clips or screws holding the fender liner in place and remove them. With these fasteners out, you can gently pull back the fender liner, exposing the rear of the headlight assembly. With the headlight assembly visible, it's time to remove the old bulb. First, you will see a round, protective dust cap. Twist this cap counterclockwise by about 1/8 of a turn and remove it. Next, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its small release tab and pulling it straight off. Finally, unclip the wire retaining spring that holds the bulb in place, then carefully pull the old bulb out. To install the new bulb, carefully insert it into the housing, making sure its tabs align perfectly. Secure it by re-engaging the wire retaining spring, then firmly reconnect the electrical plug. Replace the dust cap by twisting it clockwise until it locks. Finally, push the fender liner back into place and reinstall its clips or screws. Before closing the hood, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.